Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing a monthly reset. These are all the things I do to sort of make sure that I'm prepared for the upcoming month, and it just makes life easier because I do this pretty much every month without fail. Just that way I know I'm set, I'm ready to go, and yeah, it just makes things simpler. What I do is review the month. I write down the good things that happened, the bad things that happened, what have I learnt from the month, basically everything that I have posted in my wrap-up videos is me reflecting and reviewing the month. Sometimes I will go into a deeper one for personal, like personally I'll go through a deeper one, but yeah, that's pretty much what I do. I review the month and then I know sort of what I want to do for the next month, the upcoming month. Like, do I want to change goals, that sort of thing. Also, did I have to cancel something that month because like of an illness or something, and then I can push it forward to the next month, things like that. So I review the month, then I do a major brain dump. I brain dump everything. Do I have upcoming appointments? Do I have events? Am I meeting up with friends? Am I cleaning something? Am I cooking something? Is it someone's birthday? Anything and everything that I think is going to happen that month, I brain dump. And then I plan my upcoming month. So I get my planner out and I make sure that I write down everything from the brain dump and I put it in a schedule, and then I try to keep it. So yeah. Another thing I like to do is clean, like a deep clean. I don't always do this though. This one's a bit of an iffy one. I mean, I'll declutter, but I might not always deep clean. It depends really on how I'm feeling. I like to set goals for the month. Again, I put in my planner, and that is when I'm planning my month. I like to go through and unsubscribe from a lot of things that I don't find useful anymore. Like, you get a lot of newsletters, so I try and go through and unsubscribe to at least one, but normally there's more. Sometimes I will also unsubscribe from subscriptions that I don't find useful anymore. I used to have a magazine subscription, but I unsubscribed because I wasn't really reading the articles anymore. I didn't find it useful and it was just a waste of money, so I unsubscribed from that. I've unsubscribed from Netflix, but then I go back to it and then I unsubscribe again. So yeah, I unsubscribe once a month. Now, I vacuum. I do vacuum more than once a month, but I do prefer, if I know like it's the last day of the month, I do like a vacuum just so I know that I'm going into like the new month with clean floors. I try to dust and clean and everything, but the floors, I don't know why, but I like clean floors. And then the last thing I do in my monthly reset is meal plan. So I like to plan all my dinners a month in advance. Sometimes I do struggle to think of a month's meals, so I might just only do the week, but I've already done a month's meals already. So yeah, I've already meal planned the upcoming month, so I'm ahead. Another thing I like to do, this isn't a monthly thing, it's pretty much a weekly thing, is laundry. But if there's something particular that I do like knowing that I'm starting the new month with fresh sheets or fresh clothes, I don't know, fresh towels. Just, I like things fresh for a new month. And that is my monthly reset. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you do in your monthly resets, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.